Greetings, my friends. It's your Fat Pal L, and I am here at my table / workbench with a pair of Panasonic RP-HT21s. I found these packed away, tested them out, and I only have one working channel. So the left channel works fine. The right channel, however, is dead, although when I shake it, you can hear something has disconnected. But we're going to take a look-see at that right channel. Get in there. I have not taken headphones apart in quite a while, so this should be a fun little video here. So I am just going to carefully remove the foam. And I'm going to put that far away from my soldering iron. And I'm just taking a look-see at this mount. Looks like it just has some plastic clips, and it does have a mount here. So I'm going to see if I can just pull this off so I don't have the whole head band working. Okay, that's fine. So that just pulled off right there with those two little mounts. Just kind of go easy with those. And I'm going to just set this out of the way. Take a quick look. You can hear that. Yeah, you can hear. I can actually see something moving around there. Well, I see that the speaker cone itself is just floating in there. Looks like it's just kind of clipped in there a little bit. So let's see what we can use to screwdriver wise to see what we can do to pry this thing off without affecting the structural integrity. Alright, it looks like there's a couple of clips there. I'm just going to kind of pop open. Yep, there's one there. And you can see that right around there. It's just a little plastic clip, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side here. Okay. There we go. Oh, that is not good at all. Okay. So it looks like the magnet that has the voice coil gap is the offending item here. Let me get some light on the subject here. I have issues where sometimes the LED flashlights flicker a bit. So doesn't look like there's any issue here with the soldering joints. The voice coil looks intact. It's just that the glue that supported the magnet here has just come off. I don't remember if this got dropped or something, but you can see that there. There's the gap. And yeah, I was expecting the whole, speaker driver disconnected and, the soldering joint had, disconnected. So this is going to be maybe a quicker repair than I have anticipated. But I'm just going to drop that in there best I can without... It's just going to set it flat. I'm just going to carefully set that in there best I can. Let me get a little bit more light on this subject here. Good old cheater readers here on. Take a quick look-see. Yeah, I've never had a magnet just, detach here. So I'm just kind of looking at how best to get this in there. without damaging the voice coil and or the mount. Can you hear the... Okay. Well, that sounds somewhat positive. Let me get this plugged into a audio source. Okay. All right, so I'm on my channel here. Yep, it's working. I'm getting good low frequency response. I'm not detecting anything out of the ordinary, so that's good. That is so odd. This is probably one of the quickest repairs that I've done. I would have never have thought that the actual magnet would have detached. So let me mount that with some better adhesive here. So we'll cut it down so that it's more of like a pointy shape. So there we go. I'm going to get a little bit of the super glue here. I am just going to little dab will do ya right there. I'm just going around the periphery of the magnet. Yeah, these actually have really good quality sound for, you know, portable style headphones. I'm a product of the 70s and the 80s, so I remember the foamy headphones that we had with our portable cassette players and back in the day. Okay, so yeah, the soldering joints look good. No issues there. And I'm just putting a little bit of the super glue around that magnet there just to kind of hold it in place. So that'll be good. Here I thought I, you know, had a driver that had disconnected. I've had that where the driver glue itself just comes off. And then I have, looks like a little mount in there to keep the little knot that they put in there. And then it just has those two clips, and there we go. So those just go like right there. And that's awesome. And then I just take the foam just kind of make those nice and neat. And there we go. So that was the repair there for the Panasonic stereo headphones, the RP-HT21s. And these sound pretty good. I definitely would recommend them for like a lightweight headphone. You know, they're nothing fancy, but they have a really good quality. They've got good bass sound, and they've got good high-end frequency. And again, I've used these for, you know, portable CD players, a couple of the portable tape players that I do have. They're not Sony Walkmans or anything like that. And colloquially, we call them Walkmans. But no, that was a fast repair. But so you never know. I got the I had my Fantic soldering iron ready, and I pulled some flux solder. But that's you never know what you're gonna discover when it comes to electronic repair. Sometimes it's something easy like this, and here I heard something rattling around it. I'm thinking, oh, the driver disconnected, and you know, you lost a a soldering point on one of the contacts, and I've seen that happen. Or if the cord gets pulled, it disconnects from the inside driver, and going from there. But no, thank you for joining me. And what I will show you as a teaser, speaking about Panasonic, we're gonna, by the magic of transitional editing, please stay tuned for this restoration. My very good friend and chosen sister acquired this for me. This is a Panasonic FM15, and I'm going to be working on getting this thing operational. I have not tested it, and as you can see, it's a little on the rough side. But we're going to take a quick look-see and dismantle this and hopefully get it to operate. Looks like it's got a soft touch, really old soft touch remote. It's very, very dirty, but we are going to take this apart and do a full restoration on it. I do have some belts and things that I've accumulated, but yeah, no, here we go. So stay tuned for this boombox restoration project. Thank you all for watching. Take care. Bye for now.